from Hooked on Pickin. I am filming directly from Carolina Beach, and I have a special treat for you guys. Since we're not doing a fire sale today, I have a special treat for you, so let's see what that is.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
So this is when we first arrived. This is 5 a.m. We drove all night to get here. So this was really fun, and we decided before we even bring our luggage in, here is the beach.
There's our house, the tan colored one. We're the top and the middle floor.
So these are our friends that we went on vacation with, Jason and Ashley and their kiddos. Here's us at the arcade. We had a blast and won tons of tickets and got lots of 5-cent toys. Then, of course, fun at the beach. This is all the fun that we had at the beach. The best time was just relaxing and doing no work.
Hey guys, we're here at Carolina Beach and we're staying in the rental property called the Cosmic Mermaid. And I wanted to make sure, since you're not going to be able to partake in our super fun fire sales, I wanted to make sure that we offered you something special. So for Friday, which is today, Saturday, and Sunday, we're offering a 10% off discount code just because we're on vacation and you couldn't have fun on our fire sales. And so if you want to buy 10% off, you're going to use the promo code BEACH, B-E-A-C-H. That's BEACH is the promo code. Just pop that in during your checkout and you're going to get 10% off every single thing in our store. Our reseller programs, our popcorn, our jelly bellies, our toys, our knives, our household items, our mystery boxes, everything is 10% off if you use the promo code BEACH, and that will be for this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in honor of us not having a fire sale and because of these awesome views. Let's show them to them. Don't forget, promo code BEACH. And your 10% promo code will be on hookedonpickin.com. So don't forget, that is where you get the 10% off all of our fun items. I just put a bunch of brand new product on there right before we went on vacation. So 10% off, promo code BEACH, hookedonpickin.com. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Hey, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And of course, if you would like to see more of my reseller videos, go ahead and check them out as they pop up around us. We had fun at the Battleship, North Carolina.